Today for science, we're going to talk about the parts of a bird. Make sure you go outside and bird watch before you complete this activity. Also make sure you pause it as often as you need. Let's start labeling. The first part of the bird that we will label is the bird's head. Head is spelled H-E-A-D. Draw a line from the bird's head up towards the top and then write the word head. Nice work! Next, let's label the bird's eye. There's not an eye shown, so we will have to draw one in. Just make a little dot. Then draw a line towards the top and write the word eye. Eye is spelled E-Y-E. If you need more time, just pause the video. Okay, next we will label the beak. Draw a line from the beak out to the side and spell the word beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. Next, we will label the tail. Draw a line out from the tail and write the word tail. T-A-I-L. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. Next, we will draw in the bird wing. Just make some squiggly lines on the side. And then draw your line out from the wing to the side of the paper. And get ready to write the word wing. Wing is spelled W-I-N-G. Wing. You're doing a fantastic job. The last part of the bird we have to label are the bird's feet. Feet is spelled F-E-E-T. Fantastic! We labeled the head, the eye, the beak, the wing, the tail, and the feet. Now let's write a sentence about all the parts we labeled. A bird has a, and we're going to list everything we labeled. A bird has is spelled H-A-S. A bird has, now make sure you have a finger space before the next word, A. A bird has a, what do they have? They have a head. Let's write the word head, H-E-A-D. We still have more to list, so let's place a comma after the word head. We wrote the word head. Now let's write the word eye. Eye is spelled E-Y-E. We have more to list, so place a comma after the word eye. Now let's write the word beak. Beak is the next word we will write on the list. Beak is spelled B-E-A-K. We still have more to list, so let's add a comma after the word beak. Next, we have the word wing. Wing is spelled W-I-N-G. We have a little bit more to list, so make sure you add the comma. Next, we will write feet. F-E-E-T. We have one more item to list, so make sure you write a comma at the end of feet. Then we will write the word and, A-N-D, and we will write the last word on the labeling, and that's the word tail, T-A-I-L. We are done listing all the parts of the bird, so we will end our sentence with a period. A bird has a head, eye, beak, wing, feet, and tail. Wow, you did an awesome job. Keep up the great work.